Alright, so today we're going to be making Umeboshi Takikomi Gohan, which is seasoned rice with dashi and umeboshi, or pickled plum. Each bite is packed with umami and plenty of sour, salty, tart flavor thanks to the umeboshi. We're going to start with 2 cups of dried rice, Japanese rice. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of mirin, and then we're going to add about a half teaspoon of shoyu or soy sauce. On top of that, we're going to add about just enough dashi to bring up the liquid level in my rice pot to 2 cups. I cheated here, I just used a dashi pack. If you want to use dashi from scratch, it would taste even better. So just make sure that you're just under the 2 cup line. I like my rice to be a little bit firm. Next we're going to be adding 4 pieces of umeboshi or pickled plum. I like to use the kind that's marinated in shiso leaves, which is a herb, and they're nice and sour. So get ready to pucker up. We're actually going to offset some of that sourness with about a half teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to give the umeboshi and the rice a little bit of a stir to distribute the salt and the seasonings that we just added. And we're just going to add it to the rice maker and cook. Not too bad, right? So the next thing after the rice is done cooking, we're just going to fold it. Make sure to break up the umeboshi as much as you can. Watch out for those big seeds. You don't want to end up with any broken teeth. That wouldn't be any fun. And that's essentially how I make my Umeboshi Takikomi Gohan. I hope you get a chance to try it.